Alright, so this is my code for lab 2, text message expander. So, you can see I have my console here. I've already ran it a little bit. I'll get into that later. So, I imported java.util.scanner for use in this. My declaration of string abbreviations, because these are the ones that you prompt us to use. BFF equals best friend forever. IDK equals I don't know. JK equals just kidding. TMI equals too much information. And TTYL equals talk to you later. So I start out with system.out.println, enter text, to prompt the user to enter their text. And after you enter the text in console, I have system.out.println, you entered plus text. This will show you what you have written. Now, after that, I just put a little white space there to just give it a little bit of space. And now we get to the main parts of the code. These are all a bunch of if loops. So I use text.contains to search for what I want because it just will look for it, and if it does contain that, then it gives me a very easy way to replace them. So if I have if text.contains BFF, I can have text equals text.replace BFF with what I assign BFF to in the string. And I use text.replace with this because it's pretty self-explanatory. It replaces the string with the new string. And then once you replace that, I will do system.out.println replaced I don't know with I don't know or IDK with what I put I don't know as. And I use these here, these little forward slashes, to give me the quotation marks, because there wasn't really a better way to give quotation marks in here. If you see the cursor on my screen, I'm hovering over the quotation marks on the console where they're above IDK. And I had to look up how to do this, actually. I didn't actually know off the top of my head. You can see my comments up here for the reasons for why I'm using them. It just got a little simpler over time. And then I did for all of them, every single string. I don't know, or IDK, JK, TMI, TTYL, and BFF. And then, at the end of it, after I got all those if loops done, I have system.out.println for a little bit more white space, and system.out.println expanded, plus what your new string is going to look like. And this will show the end product after all the abbreviations are replaced. So, if we run this here, we'll go to my console, and prompt me to enter text. I can enter what I want. How about hi BFF? What are you doing today? TTYL. If I press enter, and I go in here, show me what the new parts are. So BFF changes to best friend forever, and TTYL changed to talk to you later. And expand it. It says, hi best friend forever. What are you doing today? Talk to you later. And it's not like perfect grammar. Everything's punctuated properly, but they're text messages. They're not supposed to be like super formal. And that's explanation for my code.